Hey guys, this is Christoph on Sean's Shed, and this is how to change the battery on a 2016 Nissan Rogue. You're gonna want to pop the hood. You'll see there's a lever. What you do is you'll pull this lever over and lift up. You have the bar that holds it up. It pops out, and there's a little square spot right here. It seats right in. I already took the battery out because I want to show you how the mechanism works. So you have, it's threaded here at the top on each one on both sides. The side closest to the driver is shorter, this is longer, there's hooks. It actually comes down in here and it hooks into spot, and that's how it holds the battery in. Then you tighten these nuts down on them to tighten the battery. As you can see, you're inside. Everything looks normal, looks like it has power. You put your foot on the brake. When you come here and hit the start button, it does not start. It's trying to start. See, nothing. Let's try it again. All you need for this is a 10mm wrench or a 10mm deep socket. So you have the old battery here. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off the two terminals. All right, now that you have them off, slide them out of the way. All you have to do is loosen these. So same here, come here and loosen it. Once you get them loose, you can start sliding them down, and if you can get them low enough, you can unhook them. Boom. And then you can unhook them from where they're hooked in. Some of you may have a strap you can grab and lift it up out, but on the outside right here there's little bitty edges. You can just grab it and lift it up out of the insulation. Alright, come here and you're going to put the new battery in. Make sure you put it inside the insulation. Pop this cover off. You don't have to, but if you have it, you can use dielectric grease and you put it on the terminals. Take my dielectric grease. Just put a little bit on here. It'll help it keep a strong connection and help prevent corrosion. Before you put the terminal on, now that you have it ready, what you want to do is we'll go ahead and put the bracket on. You want the short side closer to the driver, the longer side away from the driver, and you'll go in and you'll have to snap it in. All right, that side's in. All right, good. Put the terminals on. If you can't turn it, it's on tight enough. Wouldn't hurt to go a little bit more. Same thing here. Now you put this one on, the negative. Slide it down all the way. Does not move, doesn't wiggle. We're good. Lift the hood, pull this out. You'll see that there's a clip here where it snaps into place. Snap it in, drop the hood. She starts right up. And that's how you change the battery on a 2016 Nissan Rogue.